Cool.
Like, way to do it. Heavy R&R, Ivan.
Heavy R&R. Mount Baker does Golden Gardens bike ride. Beer and cigarettes. He's the Steeds, trusty Steeds. Ethan's new bike.
It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Go. Single speed, all the way. Steel's real.
Panasonic Villager. Whoops.
It feels strange having the camera turned on you.
Get used to it, Buster. It's a bike brewery.
Steel speed.
You drafting me, bro?
Dude, I'm riding. That boy made it get some gas though. These ones are really nice, actually. They're like.
I'm thinking, oh shit. $100, huh?
You don't need to get that, bro.
I don't need that. I need a simple solution.
I know. That's why I like you also do the classic, but you just get one of these, and you just get like a fucking lock.
Oh yeah, just good old master padlock.
Yeah, you can get one of those, you get a master padlock. Or, what else can you get? Oh, the bike maintenance? If we're biking back then, I kind of want to turn into a fixie just to fuck around with it as a fixie.
You should, dude.
Yeah.
Did you get some lube?
I did get some bike lube too. This thing's, it's been sitting around for a bit before I bought it. I'm about to be, I will admit, about to be biking real fast.
We got one more song for y'all, and then it's No Leaders.